If you're thinking about buying a tablet, stop right now because the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 might be exactly what you need. Or maybe not. Today, I'll tell you everything, no fluff, and help you make the right decision. Ready? Let's dive in. Samsung went all out with the Galaxy Tab S9. It features an 11-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. That means super vibrant colors and truly deep blacks. Perfect for watching movies or editing photos with precision. And what about performance? Enter the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a powerhouse processor. You can run multiple apps simultaneously, play games without lag, and edit content smoothly. On top of that, it comes with 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage, expandable via micro SD card. So if storage is a concern, you can check that off your list. Now, let's talk sound. And I was genuinely impressed. 4 AKG speakers with Dolby Atmos support deliver truly immersive audio. Watching a series on this tablet is next level. Another strong point, the S Pen. Yes, it's included. Perfect for drawing, taking notes, or simply navigating with precision. But not everything is perfect, right? Despite its potential, the 8,400 mAh battery could last longer, especially for heavy daily users. And then there's the price. It's not exactly cheap. But let's be honest, you're getting a premium product. And since we're talking about smart investments, how about investing in the future of this channel? Drop a like and hit that subscribe button for Shop Smart. I promise to keep bringing you honest content to help you make the best purchase decisions. So, is the Galaxy Tab S9 worth it? If you need a powerful tablet for work, study, or high-end entertainment, it's a fantastic choice. But if your focus is something simpler for basic tasks, there might be more affordable options out there. And of course, if you decide to buy, use my exclusive link in the description. You'll get the best price and help ShopSmart continue to grow. Oh, and don't forget, drop that like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in the next video.